How did you start with Cargene's Cafe, and how tough was it to start a cafe?
So Cargene's as a brand
It's
is a
Cargene's?
Cargene's, yeah.
Okay.
So it's
What
as
does
a
it
brand.
mean? Sorry.
It's an Arabic name. I'll tell you how it came up from. So it's not my brand. It's my childhood friend and business partner's brand, Faizan. So we both used to play cricket in Chandra Layout area. We're childhood friends. So 2010, he passed out from Ramaya, and he decided to open a cafe. And he approached me to design it. So I designed it, and then he opened a cafe in Hyderabad. And again, he came back in 2015 to Bangalore once the hookah ban was off. And he opened a cafe. That time I asked him, let's team up. So then I teamed up and opened the cafe in Koramangala along with a friend of mine called Anand. So we three teamed up and opened that. Then coincidentally, the Cunningham Road Hammered, which was earlier FBA, that came to us saying that why don't you guys explore and all. And again, a big stepping stone for us, Mr. Ahmad. He trusted us and he took us in to the project. So we renovated and we saw the space. Like, when we took the space of Hammered, a lot of people told us it's a ghosted space. It's a very bad luck kind of a space. Don't take
It's
it up.
haunted.
That's what they said. But I've been there like I don't know. I don't even have a count like how many times I've been there late night, early mornings. Nothing felt. It's just a perception of people. If something doesn't work in a space, they want to put into a seed saying that it's a negative space, which is not. That space made our careers. So we made
Clearly.
Hammered. Yeah.
Okay. So, what got into this space as an accidental start through friends coming together and your interior designing skills coming
Yeah.
in handy?
Yeah, I turned around the space in 45 days. Like from the time I took, we had to renovate the whole space. So I did that in 45 days. And we
Taking a-
broke even in 3 months.
Oh, wow. I'm just now getting into
Only that
analytics.
space, huh? Not other spaces. It doesn't happen every time.
Uh-huh.
It happened there as the whole setup was ready. I just had to do the cosmetical changes, which happened. And competition was not as much as what it is today.
Today, right,
Yeah.
right.
Today, people don't trust a brand very easily unless until they see a crazy Instagram reel.
Since you opened multiple talking points for me, probably I'll start with the cafe. I mean, today a lot of people want to play with the money they have as an entrepreneur. The easiest that comes to their mind is to start something in the food business. Since you started there accidentally and now you have understood the trick of the trade clearly, um, what kind of monies and what kind of involvement does it require to be in a cafe space?
When we opened Kajins earlier, like when we go back to 2015, my investment back to, if I have to open a Kajins today, is 4 times. So if I could do a cafe in 50 lakhs then, now it'll need at least 2 crores. Likewise for breweries or pubs. So back then we did a pub in under a crore because the whole license, everything was ready there. But today, if I have to do the same thing, I need minimum 5 crores.
Oh, wow.
So that's the drastic change which Bangalore has gone through. Even though the competition has increased, but the financial investment scale is kind of getting closer to not being able to break even, I feel.